agriculture sector, energy sector, or the tourism sector. And the method that we're using is the expected monetary value approach. So here we're going to focus on the probabilities here, this bottom row here. Okay, these probabilities are the probabilities of the changes in demand. Okay, the probability of a high change in demand is 0.4 or 4%. The probability of a medium change in demand is 0.5%. The probability of a low change in demand is 0.1%. So this expected monetary value approach, you're just trying to find out the averages for each sector. Okay, to be specific, the weighted averages. The weighted average, we're just attaching it to the probabilities. The average which we're calculating, we're just attaching it to these probabilities. Okay, that's what the expected monetary value approach is about. Okay, so we're going to, for each sector, whichever sector has the higher expected monetary value, we choose it. So we're going to do it like this. We're going to start with first calculate the expected monetary value for agriculture. So this is the formula: EMV, expected monetary value, equals the summation sigma over, open brackets, probability of state of demand multiplied by the payoff. Okay, payoff in that state of demand. Okay, this is the formula. Probability of the state of demand multiplied by the payoff of that state of demand. So to make life easy, let me put the probabilities here. Probability for high, 0.4. Probability for medium, 0.5. Probability for for low, 0.1. Okay, so we can now calculate. Okay, so for agriculture, we're going to start by saying 0.4 times 8,000 plus 0.5 times 4,500 plus 0.1 multiplied by 2,000. Okay, this is for agriculture. EMV agriculture. Okay, so we start 0.4 times 8,000. Let's see what we get. 3,200 plus 0.4 times 0.5 times 45, you get 2,250 plus 0.1 times 2,000, you get 200, and then we add them up. 3,200 plus 2,250 plus 200, you get 5,650. Okay, so think of this as the average payoff for the agriculture sector. We go to the energy sector. Okay. For energy, I'm going to say 0.4 times 35, 0.5 times 45, and 0.1 times 5,000. So we start first. 0.4 times 3,500 plus 0.5 multiplied by 4,500 plus 0.1 multiplied by 5,000. Okay. So 0.4 times 35, 1,400 plus 0.5 times 4,500, 2,250 plus 0.1 times 5,000, which is 500. So 1,400 plus 2,250 plus 500, we get 4,150. Then finally, tourism. Okay. So for tourism, 0.4 times 5,000, 0.5 times 5,000, 0.1 times 4,000.
We're not using the 1, 0.1.
I said 0.1 times 4,000. 0.4 times 5, 0.5 times 5, then 0.1 times 4,000.
Okay.
So 0.4 times 5,000 plus 0.5 times 5,000 plus 0.1 times 4,000. Okay, so 0.4 times 500, I think we should get 2,000 times 5,000. 0.4 times 5,000, that is 2,000. 0.5 times 5,000, 2,500. 0.1 times 4,000, 400. So 2,000 plus 25, that is 45. 45 plus 400, that is 4,900. So we now have to see which sector has got the higher expected monetary value, basically the higher average. It's the agriculture sector, 5,650.